All right, geometry students, let's look at Unit 5, Lesson 7, the root of the problem. Our goals here are, I can create and describe graphs that show relationships between volumes and scale factors. So what we're going to be looking at is the type of graph that connects our scale factor and the volume of a shape. I can work backwards from a volume or surface area scaling to find scale factor. This is looking at our understanding of square roots and cube roots and how we can find the scale factor if we know the surface area or the volume of a shape. So our vocabulary here is cube root, number that when cubed gives the original number. So it looks like this. We have the cube root symbol, which is like the square root, just with a 3 here. So we're going to cube root x, and we'll get y. Therefore, y cubed equals x. So this is how cube roots work. All right, so here's our warm-up that you need to bring tomorrow to class so that we can have a discussion on what's going on. So a cube whose side lengths measure 1 unit has been dilated by several scale factors to make new cubes. So question number 1, for what scale factor will the volume of the dilated cube be 27 cubic units? So use some estimation, use a calculator, try and figure out how to get the cube from 1 unit measurements on all sides to a 27 cubic unit volume. For what scale factor will the volume of the dilated cube be 1,000 cubic units? So again, go through a process, try and figure out what will work for 1,000 cubic units. Estimate the scale factor that would be needed to make a cube with volume of 1,001 cubic units. So use your understanding of 2 to help you with number 3. And then estimate the scale factor that would be needed to make a cube with volume of 7 cubic units. The fourth one here, probably going to be the toughest one, as it is completely different than the others in the numbers. So you won't really have an estimation that will help you get there. So try to do your best with that. Bring your answers to these 4 questions tomorrow to class, and we will use them to start our discussion. Thanks.